Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias, muy bien, gracias. Y yos. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias, muy bien, gracias. Ketsi, Ketsi. Hola, ¿cómo están? Yo estoy muy bien. Son buenos días porque estamos en la mañana. Son las 7:44. It's 7:44 in the morning, so that's why it's morning. Hoy es miércoles. Hoy es miércoles, el 9 de septiembre del 2020. Sí. Y si hoy es miércoles, el 9 de septiembre, ¿qué día es mañana? Si hoy es miércoles, el 9 de septiembre, ¿qué día es mañana? Mañana es jueves, el 10 día de septiembre. Y si hoy es miércoles, el 9 día de septiembre, ¿qué día fue ayer? Ayer fue martes, el 8 de septiembre del 2020. Okay, let's review. Okay. So, who was the 40th president of the United States? A guy named Ronald Reagan. A guy named Ronald Reagan. Kind of like Ronald McDonald. Ronald Reagan. He was the 40th president of the United States. And do you remember the capital of Laos? The capital of Laos is Vietnam's. It's a little bit difficult to pronounce the language, so the capital. So let me ask Google. What's the capital of Laos?
Vientiane is the capital of Laos.
Vientiane. You know, Vientiane. Okay, good. And today we're going to learn about the 41st president of the United States, and the capital, the country we're going to study is Madagascar. So, what's the capital of Madagascar?
Antananarivo is the capital of Madagascar.
Antananarivo. So it has the word ant and an Antananarivo. Antananarivo. What's the capital of Madagascar? Antananarivo. What's the capital of Madagascar? Antananarivo. What's the capital of Madagascar? Antananarivo. And what's the capital? Who is the 41st president of the United States? Let's find out. Who is the 41st president of the United States?
The 41st president of the United States was George H.W. Bush, who was in office from January 20th, 1989 to January 20th, 1993.
George Herbert Walker Bush. George Herbert Walker Bush was the 41st president of the United States. Who was the 41st president of the United States? George H.W. Bush. That's what we know him. George H.W. Bush. George Herbert Walker Bush. And you will get to know his son because his son also becomes the president too. So we'll learn that a little bit later. And I'm glad that you guys are learning a lot about the presidents and the multiplications and different countries. And today we're going to do the nines. So, Laura, what is 9 times 0? 0. Okay. And Laura, what's 9 times 1? 9 times 1 will always be 9. Juice, what is 9 times 10? Remember, put a 0 at the end. That's 90. Good. Okay. Laura, this is for you. What's 9 times 11? Double nines, so that's 99. And Jules, since we know what 9 times 11 is, what is 9 times 12? 9 times 12, so 99 plus 9 is 108. Good. And what is 9 times 2? So we're at here at 9. 9 times 2 will be, add another 9. And that will be 18. Remember, our 9s will always be, just go to the next 10. 9 times 2, so what's 2 times 10? That's 20 minus 2, that will be 18. What's 9 times 3? 9 times 3 will be another, so think about it this way. 3 times 10, that's 30, minus 3, it's 27. That's 9 times 3. 9 times 4, well, we know that 4 times 10 is 40, so subtract 4, and then you get 36. 9 times 5, well, we know 10 times 5 is 50, minus 5 is 45. 9 times 6, 9 times 6, so we know 60, 9 times 10, 6 times 10, 6 times 10 is 60, minus 6 will be 54. And we don't have room for the other ones, but you get the same thing. So 9 times 7, make that a 10, so 7 times 10, that would be 70, 70 minus 7 will be 63, and 9 times 8, remember 80, 8 times 10 will be 80, 80 minus 8 will be 72, and same thing with 9 times 9, so make that a 10, 9 times 10 equals 90, 90 minus 9 will be 81, and 9 times 10 will be 90, 9 times 11 will be 99, and 9 times 12, we already went over that, that's 80, 99 plus 9, that'll be 108, sorry about that. Okay, so who was the 41st president of the United States? George Herbert Walker Bush. And the country of Madagascar, what is the capital of Madagascar? Antananarivo, I think. Or what's the capital of Madagascar?
Antananarivo is the capital of Madagascar.
Antananarivo. Good. Okay, so now we know that, and that's it. Okay, hoy es miércoles, today is Wednesday. Miércoles, el 9 de septiembre de 2020. Mañana es jueves, el 10 de septiembre del 2020. Y ayer fue martes, el 8 de septiembre del 2020. Ok. Dios, you're the best, you're worth it, and you're beautiful. Te amo, te quiero, te adoro. Laura Quetzal, you're the best, you're worth it, and you're beautiful. Te amo, te quiero, te adoro. Remember, 41st President, George H.W. Bush, George Herbert Walker Bush. And the capital of Madagascar is Antananarivo. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hasta luego. Te amo, te quiero, te adoro.